off. Home point updated.
And we got takeoff with the DJI Mini 3. And I wanted to put out a quick video because there's a great deal going on. Amazon had their Prime week, and they had some great prices on drones. The DJI Mini 3 with the RC remote that has a built-in tablet was $339, and I was curious what B&H had the price for, and they also have it for $339, and this is after the Prime date has ended. Amazon Prime is ended, and B&H is still carrying the DJI Mini 3 with the DJI RC remote with built-in tablet for $339. I bought this drone about 2 months ago for $379, and I thought I was getting a great deal because the original price was $549, and I thought that wasn't a bad deal at $549, and I was considering it, and I was going to wait for Black Friday. But when they brought it down to $379, I couldn't resist. I had to buy it. And here it is 2 months later, and $339. Are you serious? And that includes free 2-day shipping and a free extended 1-year warranty. Now, if you are looking for your very first drone, this has so many professional features, as you can see in this flight. The video is great. The still images are great. We got a 48 megapixel camera, 4K video, and if you are budget minded and don't think you would need the tablet with a built-in screen, you can get the remote, the RC-N1, that does not have the tablet built in. You can get this deal for $269. Now, I strongly recommend the tablet with the built-in screen. It's just been such a game changer for me. So, now it depends on what your budget is. Now, you will know that my go-to drone previously was the DJI Mini 4K. And right now, B&H has that on sale for $209. And that includes a remote, the remote that does not have a built-in tablet. But $209, I forget what I paid my original one 3 or 4 years ago. It was either almost $400, $350 to $400. But yeah, $209, and it will give you the same distance, 10 kilometers or about 6 miles. Right now, we're only flying about 3/4 of a mile in a circle, and so this is a step up from the DJI Mini 4K, and I really like this drone, so I wanted to share that price of $339 on B&H. So this is my neighborhood. We're just flying around. My house is right down there. It's covered by trees. You cannot see my house, but I am in my front yard, and we're going to take a trip back this way through this heavily wooded area where a new home site is going in. And I've got a lot of trees blocking my view, so I can't go too far. There's a couple of new homes that are gone up or in the process of going up right now, and we'll fly over that way. But I know our signal will probably get a little bit weak before we can reach them from my past experience. And that's because of all the trees blocking my view. I don't have a clear line of sight. So yeah, if you want to get into this hobby, this is a great first drone. And I'm losing my signal. I'm going to turn around and we'll head back this way. We've got coyotes out in this woods. A lot of deer. I haven't seen any bears yet. And new to this area are armadillos. And I just think that's so strange. But yeah, they've entered our territory. So that's my street up there. I'm using this lake as a point of reference. I will come on up and swing around before I take it in for a landing. We have a storm coming up off in the distance, kind of overcast right now. I'll bring my altitude down a little bit here. And over in the distance, it's raining right now. I will pan on over here. Check it out. You can see the rain coming on down. It is 4 times zoom. Yeah. So let's go ahead and bring it on down. This is my street. I'm at the end of the street right here. We are 30 minutes south of Charlotte, North Carolina. Nice little residential area. Yeah, so if you're looking for your first drone, I highly recommend this drone, the DJI Mini 3. And depending upon your budget, consider also the DJI Mini 4K. Oopsie, that's a little bit too close. Alright guys, we will see you in the next video. Here's our home pad.